Students, just for your benefits, we have decided to give a small update regarding audio clips. Yes, obviously for CA final law, we had decided to provide you audio clips covering each and every points according to the manner as we should write in examination. Not just an audio clip to remember things, or audio clips to give best possible answer. This will cover your whole section. Like if I say in special code, it start from 435 to 446B. Then while starting audio clip, I will start. What does special code says? What 435 is about? What 436 is about? And so on. So that you will feel quite comfortable even after hearing audio clips or you watch our lectures. Just to reach maximum number of students, we had decided to share each audio clips in YouTube. Now you are thinking how audio clip will be possible to be shared in YouTube. While we will share audio clips in YouTube, you just need to download an app, that is TubeMate from Google, and just copying our link from YouTube and you have to paste there. You will get their options to convert in MP3 version or audio version, and just keep record and keep listening. Now one thing I will say, with the increase in science and technology, many methods has been changed, but please remember one thing, the best method of study is only one thing, that you start reading and writing on with your own notes. As truly saying, this all are the marketing phase, and I am also doing the same. At truly saying, it will benefit, not that it will not benefit, but it will benefit in very small extent. But also, just for your examinations, we had decided to take this approach because we found that students sometimes spare their time in doing unnecessary works. So to manage or to cut time from unnecessary work towards some good thing, we had decided to take this audio clip. Wish you all the best for your examination. Never worry, your examination will not be damaged. One thing I will say, whenever you read our videos or whenever you listen our audio clips, just do one thing. After revising each chapter, just start practicing question. Practicing question is only one way which can give you best marks. Nothing else can give you best marks until and unless you don't start practicing question just after covering concept. Especially in law also, the drafting of answer, the way you should approach the answer should be most appropriate and best to secure good marks. Don't see what your friends secure, how their friends write. There may be chance that examiner mood was happy at that time while checking your friends answer sheet. So you cannot compare with them, but you can keep yourself best, your presentations best only. This is the one thing I will say. Stay updated and keep subscribing our channels so that it will reach to maximum students. Thank you for watching. All the best.